Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to remove black backgrounds in CapCut. So here I have two pieces of media, one with a black background with smoke on and a cat. So let's drag both pieces of media onto our timeline. And let's add the one with the black background on the top. And now you can't see the cat through that black background. However, it's very easy to remove within CapCut. Highlight the media with the black background, come over to the right hand side, Video, Basic, and then come down to Blend, drop down the Mode, and here you'll have a load of different options to choose from, and we want Multiply. And that will remove the black background, as you can see. And now you'll be able to see the cat through the smoke. So that's how to remove black backgrounds in CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.